Dallas and shopping. And y'all know, this is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. And y'all know I love pink. And I just had to get this. Oh, y'all, after I cut my, well, not cut, well, yeah, I did that too. After I took my nails off, the acrylic, I'm telling you. Now my, let me bring this down. Now my nails are thin, you know. But this is so cute. I couldn't give it up. Y'all know how I love my coffee. So this is so cute and chic. This is so cute. It will help you stand out. This is so cute. Okay, y'all, we're getting it. We're getting it. Okay. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to use it, y'all. I can't wait to use it. Okay, so what we have, let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, so we have a coffee cup, my favorite color, pink. It is so cute. It is so cute. I guess this may be I would say this is a good 6 ounces. This is a good 6 ounces. So it's a cute little size. That's bigger than a shot of espresso. This is a good 6 ounces. It's real cute. It's real cute. And then what really made me love it is look at the saucer, y'all. Y'all, that is too cute. Okay, so when we're having coffee time and chit chat, oh my gosh. Yes, we're gonna be chatting it up with our chick self. Now this is chick. This is chick. This is so cute. Y'all can go to Five Below and check these out. They are so cute. That is so cute. That is so cute. I love it. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? I think this is so cute and chic. Yes, I love this. So I will be having my Met Cafe in this tomorrow. Yes, I can't wait. With the whipped cream and the caramel and the cinnamon and the French vanilla cream. Yes, y'all know I love all the toppings. This is gonna be so fun. This is gonna be so fun. This is gonna be so fun. I thought this was so cute. I had to get it. It's called Cloud Saucer and Cup Set. That's what it's called. It says use as a saucer or a plate. I don't know how you're gonna use that as a plate. Or maybe if you're putting some little finger sandwich, and I mean finger. Yeah, you could put some little cookies on there. You could put some little cookies on there. Yeah. Perfect size for a mini treat. That's cute. It's cute. I really like that. Yeah. Yo, I had to snatch this up. I had to snatch it up. So I hope y'all are enjoying y'all Thursday. So me and Coco, I had a doctor's appointment at 10:30. So I got Coco to the doggy park around 8. We stayed a while. I went and grabbed breakfast from McDonald's. They have a delicious steak, egg, and cheese bagel. Y'all go back and watch my video. Yum, yum. Okay, so thank you all for watching my little haul from Five Below. Don't y'all sleep on Five Below. Do not sleep on them. They have some nice stuff, some cute stuff. Okay, they do. Thanks for watching, Chick Babes. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, babes.